Hi guys, this is Ken from TechOpened back again with another video, this time to show you a cool little gadget you can get. The main feature of this little gadget is not letting you drop your phone when you're filming. So you can see the box here on the outside. Here are all these specs. This is how you can connect your microphone if you want to. There's the rear side of the box. LED lights also are attachable to this via the hot shoe and the 1/4 inch thread on the top of the holder right here. So we're going to open this. Take a quick look. So you can see comes with this manual, which kind of explains the basics and all the attachments that you can do with this particular holder. You can do dual-handed mode right here if you buy this extra holder. You can connect this with this little bar and you get a little bit more stabilization. It gets a little bit more steady using both hands for some people. I don't particularly need that. And yeah, that's just the manual. You have this little warranty card inside the box. And then you have the holder. So this is all metal right here. From here down, I believe it's all metal. No, this part is plastic actually, but the handle is metal. The handle is lined with kind of a rubber texture. You can see the logo here. You have the 1/4 inch thread here on the bottom to connect to your tripod if you want to. You have the little remote control here, which is detachable. You can remove this like this. So you can kind of put this on the tripod and you can shoot photos and videos remotely with this little remote control. Works via Bluetooth and it's compatible with iOS and Android. Then you have the holder itself. So this is where you detach the holder. You can unscrew this little thing if I can manage to. It's kind of tight here. So I'm not going to release this completely, but I'll do it just to show you really quickly. It's just that it's a very long thread. Takes forever just to unscrew this. So to remove this, you just keep going. Okay, so you have the little thread here and you would attach this. Inside this little holder right here, you have a spring which kind of holds this into place. So you don't want to overextend the opening of the holder, or else you actually pop out this little spring that it has inside. But it holds fairly large phones here, horizontally. Vertically, you are limited. And to open this, you have to kind of unscrew this. There's not like a spring mechanism like you see on many holders where you kind of stretch it out and then it goes back. You have to physically unscrew this, put your phone in here, and then screw it back, tighten. You have these rubber foam inserts here to hold your phone securely in place and so it doesn't scratch as well. You don't have any in here on the back. On the top part, you have the hot shoe to attach accessories, and you have the 1/4 inch thread also here, which is this kind of screws in. You rotate this to attach whatever attachment you have here, either it be shotgun mics, any kind of accessory that has the 1/4 inch thread right here, so you can attach it here. So really handy because of its size. It's very compact, even for travel, very handy. And the fact that you have your phone here, you won't have the risk of dropping it when you're filming or shooting. So in order to connect your device, remove that little protective tab from the battery. Connect, put the battery in, close the lid, go into your settings. So this is compatible with iOS or Android since it is Bluetooth. So you get the little Bluetooth symbol, and this actually shows up right here. It'll either show up as keyboard or Viewflex, and in my case it shows up as Viewflex. So now you can see it's connected. And then in order to work with the remote, all you have to do is go into your camera and you press it and it'll take the pictures. You can see it took a picture. Let's take another one. Maybe another one right there. You can see, perfect. And you can also do it here. So let's say this would be attached right here. I would put my phone here on the holder. Quickly tighten this to make sure it's nice and secure. You can see. Don't overdo it. You don't want to break your phone or the holder. You can see it's firm, and I can shake this around. I have no issues whatsoever of this dropping. Perfect. Now I can actually do it this way if I want to. Let's go back to photographs, for example, photography or video. You just press this and you don't have to physically touch your phone. You can do it here with a button. You can start and stop it. Go back into photography, camera mode, take your pictures. Perfect. So it works excellently, and you can see the firm hold you have on this. It's just perfect. Whatever needs you might have, it works perfectly. I mean, I was kind of surprised how, how small it is and how far away you can actually remotely connect it to your phone. Works really flawlessly. Like I said, you have this little holder on the top, the 1/4-inch thread right there. You have the hot shoe if you want to connect any other accessories. It's compact, well built. The remote works fine. It's not the most sturdy thing in the world. I mean, I'm not sure how this will work out if you drop it or something. It seems kind of fragile. But besides that, do I recommend this? Yes, I do. It's a perfect little product. Either it be this one or any other ones, similar ones. I definitely recommend this for your phone. If you spend like $1,000 on a phone, or 500 or 200, you don't want to drop it. So that's something we all have the risk of doing, even though they have cases and whatnot to protect them. This is a perfect little option, especially if you're traveling, vlogging, whatever. I definitely recommend this. And you can also see that the fact that I have it connected to this little tripod actually extends it out a little bit more, makes it longer. So it's kind of like a selfie stick. And yeah. And your phone will not move. I mean, I'm shaking this like crazy, as you can see, and your phone is sturdy here. It won't drop. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I definitely recommend this little product, guys. You would get your little microphone attachment, put it here with the hot shoe, connect your cable right here to the side of your phone to your 3.5mm headphone jack, and you're good to go. If you're interested in getting this little device for yourselves, I will put the links in the description. They are affiliate links, so you'll be helping out the channel if you purchase through those links. You get the same price, but the fact that you're helping out the channel by going through those links, I would really appreciate that to help me grow the channel, guys. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave your like if you like the video, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.